Episode 47, Exploring New Market Opportunities. Welcome back to Start a Business Today. In today's episode, we are diving deep into a crucial and exciting aspect of entrepreneurship, exploring new market opportunities. Whether you're an established business owner looking to expand your reach, or a budding entrepreneur eager to break into the market, understanding how to identify and explore new opportunities can give you the competitive edge you need. Section 1. Defining Market Opportunity. First off, let's set the groundwork by defining what we mean by market opportunity. Keywords defined. Market opportunity. This refers to the potential for growth and success in a specific market, often identified through unmet needs or trends in consumer behavior. It's crucial for guiding your strategic decisions. Target market. The specific group of consumers that a business aims to reach with its products or services. Identifying a target market helps tailor offerings to meet specific consumer needs. Market segmentation. The process of dividing a target market into smaller, more defined groups based on shared characteristics like demographics, behavior, and preferences. Understanding these concepts is fundamental to successfully identifying and pursuing new opportunities. As we go through this video, I'll provide you with key steps to fulfill these tasks effectively. Let's jump right into the first step: identifying market opportunities. Section 2. Identifying market opportunities. Step 1. Conduct market research. Conducting thorough market research can help you uncover valuable insights about potential opportunities. 1. Use surveys and questionnaires. Create surveys targeting your current or potential customers. Use tools like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey. Ask questions about their preferences, interests, pain points, and what they feel is missing in the current market. Example questions. What product do you wish existed, or what issues do you face with existing products? 2. Analyze industry reports. Look for industry reports provided by market research firms. Resources like IBISWorld and Statista can provide in-depth analysis. Focus on growth trends, economic conditions, consumer spending patterns, and forecasts, all crucial for spotting opportunities. 3. Leverage social media insights. Utilize analytics tools on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Monitor comments, questions, and shares. These insights can reveal what your audience is interested in or dissatisfied with. Tip: always set specific research objectives before starting. This keeps your focus sharp and yields more actionable insights. In summary, market research helps validate your assumptions and reveals new angles for growth. Section 3. Analyze your competition. Step 2. Analyze your competition. The second step is to perform a competitive analysis. Understanding what others are doing can uncover opportunities for your business. 1. Identify key players. Determine the top competitors in your industry. List their products, services, and market share. Use tools like SEMrush or competitor analysis software to gather data. 2. Review their offerings. Analyze competitor websites, product reviews, and customer feedback. Ask yourself questions like, what do customers love about their products? What are the common complaints? 3. Spot trends. Look for patterns in your competitors' marketing and sales performance. Note the features and benefits they emphasize. Are there gaps that you could fill with your offerings? By understanding competitors, you can spot opportunities in your target market that aren't being addressed, ultimately helping you carve out your niche. Section 4. Market segmentation. Step 3. Market segmentation. Next, let's dive into market segmentation. Identifying different segments can help tailor your products or services to better meet consumer needs. 1. Demographic segmentation. Break down your market by age, gender, income level, education, etc. For instance, young professionals might be interested in products that support their busy lifestyles, while older adults might seek comfort and quality. 2. Psychographic segmentation. Understand consumers' lifestyles, values, and interests. What motivates them to purchase? What are their hobbies, aspirations, and concerns? 3. Behavioral segmentation. Focus on how consumers behave regarding your product. Are they brand loyal? Do they switch based on promotions? Collecting data through loyalty programs or targeted marketing campaigns can reveal significant patterns. The point of segmentation is to tailor your marketing strategies more effectively and provide unique solutions to specific customer groups. Section 5. Testing new ideas. Step 4. Testing new ideas. Now that we've identified potential opportunities, it's time to put your ideas to the test. 1. Create a minimum viable product, MVP. An MVP is a simplified version of your product with just enough features to satisfy early adopters. This low-investment approach allows you to gauge interest and collect feedback without a full-scale launch. 2. Pilot program. Run a pilot program in a small segment of your target market. Choose a geographical area or a specific demographics group for this test. Gather feedback through surveys and focus groups to adjust your offerings based on customer reactions. 3. Measure and adapt. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, tailored to your goals. These could be sales numbers, website traffic, or customer engagement metrics. Be ready to pivot your approach based on the feedback. Learn what works and what doesn't, and refine your strategies accordingly. Flexibility and adaptability are your best friends during this stage. Section 6. Engaging your network. Step 5. Engage your network. Networking is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful way to uncover opportunities. 1. Attend industry events. Participate in trade shows, webinars, conferences, and local meetups related to your business. Networking at these events can introduce you to potential partners, customers, or industry experts who can provide insights. 2. Leverage social media groups. Engage in relevant social media communities and forums. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Reddit host groups where professionals discuss trends and ideas in your industry. Be active. Post questions, share insights, and make connections. 3. Seek mentorship. Connect with experienced entrepreneurs who can offer advice and guidance based on their experiences. A mentor can help you navigate challenges and provide a fresh perspective on new opportunities you may not have considered. Don't underestimate the knowledge and connections your network can provide. These relationships are invaluable for identifying emerging trends and market shifts. Section 7. Compiling and analyzing data. Step 6. Compiling and analyzing data. Finally, correctly compiling and analyzing data will lead you to the best strategic choices. 1. Compile data from different sources. Use a comprehensive approach by gathering data from surveys, market insights, competitive analysis, and your testing phase. Centralize this data using tools like Google Sheets, Airtable, or Excel for easy analysis. 2. Identify key trends. Look for common threads or patterns in the feedback that reveal actionable opportunities. Pay attention to any emerging needs or preferences highlighted during your research. 3. Document your findings. Keep detailed records of all data, insights, and feedback. This documentation should encompass everything from market research to testing results. Create a strategic plan based on your findings, detailing next steps for executing your opportunity exploration. Remember, data drives decision-making in today's market. Closing remarks. As we wrap up today's exploration of finding new market opportunities, let's recap the key steps we discussed. 1. Conduct thorough market research using surveys and analytics. 2. Analyze your competition for insights into your market landscape. 3. Segment your target market to tailor products effectively. 4. Test your ideas with MVPs and pilot programs. 5. Engage your network for support and insights. 6. Compile and analyze data to guide your decision-making. In conclusion, always remember, staying proactive in identifying opportunities is essential. The market is in a state of constant evolution, and successful entrepreneurs adapt to these changes. If you found value in today's session, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more insightful episodes. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below with the market opportunities you're considering for your business, or any questions you might have. Take action, stay focused, and explore the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Thanks for joining Start a Business today.
Are you ready to take your business to the next level? You can find more related materials to what we share here on bizbuddy.com.ng. bizbuddy.com.ng is a cutting-edge online resource hub, meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of entrepreneurs and business owners seeking a comprehensive repository of information, tools, and resources to bolster their business acumen. Thank you for joining me today. Now go out there, take action, and make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality.
Until next time, keep exploring, stay creative, and remember that every challenge is a chance for new opportunities. Goodbye.